Welcome to our clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with
Robin Ropp.
So now, Robin, what part of the world did you come from?
Originally from Oregon, most recently from Guanajuato.
That's in Mexico.
Sí.
Yeah. So
One word I know. Just kidding.
So now you've been coming to the clinic, and we just did a really cool evaluation of you. Mm-hmm. What brought you over here originally?
I heard about the dental clinic, the biological dental clinic. And, you know, here it's so much more inexpensive than it is in the U.S.
And better quality.
And better quality. But when my daughter came with me the first time we came, and as we were kind of exploring and looking around the clinic, she saw your name on the Bergman family chiropractic. She says, "Oh my God, Dr. Bergman's here. We have to go see Dr. Bergman."
And you said, who?
Exactly.
Okay, what did you, because I know that's how I found this clinic first, okay? I was looking for the dentist. Uh-huh. Now, what did you expect or experience or?
What was I hoping for?
Yeah.
I have had just some issues with my lower back and my right hip for some time. And living in Guanajuato, I walk a lot. And just as time passed, my hip got worse, and I thought maybe you could help me out. And you have.
Yeah, we just did our pre and post x-rays, and really, really good. Mm-hmm. Really good. But wait a second. We're not doing drugs? We're not doing surgery? We're not doing injections?
You're my kind of guy.
You mean the body is self-healing? Because, I mean, you're doing choices that are radically different. For one, I know the food down here is way healthier than in Oregon. Okay? You're getting direct sunlight exposure. You're walking every day, super healthy. And that takes a lot of courage to go from an environment that you're familiar with to an area that you're not. And you're doing healthcare like that too.
Yes.
What could you tell someone out there that's suffering with hip pain, and they're going to get the injections and the surgery and everything else, but then they also have the blood pressure issues because they're in stress, and then they have the poor sleep patterns, so they're taking drugs for that.
Right.
I know. But
there's a better way, and it's right here in Tijuana, Mexico, with him.
But first, you got to know your body's self-healing and self-regulating, and your body can regenerate. And that's the thing. The body has this balance where you can regenerate healthy tissue or be in stress. You regenerate healthy tissue, get out of the stress state, bam.
That's
you
right.
Reverse those arthritic changes. So what could you tell someone that's stuck in Oregon doing drugs?
How much time do I have? Seriously, no drugs needed. All the therapy you need is here. In Oregon, you need to get out of there and get some sunshine and some good food, which is all available here.
Take care of yourself. Your body is intelligent and gives symptoms for a reason. If you can't make it here, find somebody else that can look at dental health, the entire organ systems, the structure, the physical, chemical, emotional stress, have a measure it, and then do post x-rays and see the cool stuff we saw this morning.
Very good.
Yeah, I know. You rock. God bless you all.